everyone! Today we're drawing Mummy Pig having so much fun jumping in a muddy puddle. Isn't it cool that grown-ups can enjoy jumping in puddles too? Let's grab our pencils and make this amazing picture together. Mummy Pig loves spending time outdoors, especially with her family. She's always happy to jump in muddy puddles when Peppa or George asks. Look, Mummy Pig's eyes are now wide open. She is having fun investigating her surroundings. Mummy Pig's favorite boots are pink, but she also has a shiny blue pair. She always makes sure everyone is wearing their boots. No muddy socks. Sometimes Mummy Pig likes to jump in the puddles first. She makes the biggest splashes after Daddy Pig. How big do you think Mummy Pig's splash will be? Medium or huge? Did you know Mummy Pig makes funny splashy noises to make George and Peppa giggle? Can you guess how loud Mummy Pig's splash would sound? Maybe like splash or caw splush. Excellent! Our sketch of Mummy Pig jumping in a muddy puddle is finished. Let's add some beautiful colors to her boots, dress, and the splishy splashy puddle. Grab your crayons, markers, or paint, and let's make it colorful. Mummy Pig says, the messier, the better, when it comes to muddy puddle fun. Have you ever seen someone older enjoy splashing in puddles? Isn't it fun to do together? After puddle jumping, Mummy Pig loves making warm cocoa for the family. She always brings a towel along in case anyone gets super muddy. Mummy Pig says puddle jumping is like a workout. Fun and refreshing. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Mummy Pig got her lovely pink boots on and is making a big splash. What's your favorite thing about jumping in muddy puddles? Share it with me. What do you imagine Peppa and George are doing while Mummy Pig is splashing? Maybe cheering her on? Do you think Mummy Pig likes puddle jumping more than Daddy Pig? What do you think? And just like that, we've finished our colorful drawing of Mummy Pig having fun in a muddy puddle. Doesn't she look like she's having the best time? We've done an amazing job. Our artwork is fantastic. Let's draw again soon.